In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in CapCut on PC. First, make sure you already have your video open in the CapCut editor on your computer. Once your project is loaded and you can see your clip on the timeline, look over to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Text. Go ahead and click that. When you click Text, a panel will open on the left showing different styles you can add. You'll usually see categories like basic text and animated text. For a clean, simple watermark that doesn't distract too much from your video, it's best to start with a basic style. Click on Add Heading. If you see an option called Add Body Text and you prefer that, you can use that instead. The main goal is just to add a simple text layer on top of your video. After you click, CapCut will automatically place a text box on your video preview and add a corresponding text clip on your timeline. Click directly on the text in the preview window and type in what you want your watermark to say. This could be your channel name, a brand name, or a short handle. Now let's style it so it actually looks like a watermark. Look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a toolbar with options for editing your text. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. Here, you can change the actual text content, choose a font, adjust the size, and make it bold, italic, or underlined. You can also change the alignment and position it where you want on the screen, like a corner or the center. Take a moment to scroll through the options on this right-hand panel. You'll see more settings to customize how your watermark looks. One important control is opacity. This determines how transparent or solid your text appears. For a watermark, you usually don't want it fully solid, because that can be too distracting. Find the opacity slider and lower it until the text is visible but subtle over your footage. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to make sure the watermark appears for the entire duration of your video. Look at your timeline and locate the text clip that represents your watermark. Drag it so it starts right at the very beginning of your video. Then move your cursor to the end of that text clip until you see the resize icon. Click and drag the end of the text clip all the way to the end of your main video track. This stretches the watermark so it stays on screen from start to finish. And that's it. You've successfully added a watermark in CapCut on PC.